Writing style engaging. Hey fellow baking enthusiasts! Today I'm super excited to share with you a scrumptious cupcake recipe that'll impress your friends and satisfy your sweet tooth. So let's dive right in. First things first, gather your ingredients. You'll need 1 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1/2 cup of butter at room temperature, 2 large eggs, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/3 cup of milk, and 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. Start by preheating your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Line a muffin tin with cupcake liners. Trust me, this makes cleanup a breeze. In a large mixing bowl, cream together the butter and sugar until the mixture is light and fluffy. This is key for getting that perfect cupcake texture. Next, add the eggs one at a time, beating well after each addition. Make sure they're fully incorporated. No one wants eggy streaks in their cupcakes, right? Now in a separate bowl, whisk together the flour, baking powder, and salt. Gradually add these dry ingredients to your wet mixture, alternating with the milk. Stir in the vanilla extract. The secret here is not to overmix. Just blend until everything is nicely combined. Spoon the batter into the cupcake liners, filling them about 2/3 full. This ensures they rise perfectly without spilling over. Pop them in the oven and bake for about 18-20 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. While the cupcakes are cooling, let's whip up a simple buttercream frosting. You'll need 1/2 cup of butter, softened, 2 cups of powdered sugar, sifted, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 2 tablespoons of milk. In a medium bowl, beat the butter until creamy. Gradually add the powdered sugar, then the vanilla and milk. Continue beating until it's smooth and spreadable. Feel free to add a few drops of food coloring to jazz it up. Now, the fun part, decorating. Once your cupcakes are cool, frost them with a generous swirl of buttercream. Add sprinkles, edible glitter, or any of your favorite toppings. There you have it, delicious homemade cupcakes that are sure to be a hit at any gathering. Remember, baking is not just about following recipes, it's about having fun and expressing your creativity. So go ahead, give this recipe a try and let your inner pastry chef shine. Thanks for tuning in and happy baking.